We got bricks up, fake flag, Justin Timberlake. Last year was 24, this year's 28. Ice everywhere, that's the icing on the cake. Wanna be a hood nigga?